So I'm here at this nature trail, which is starting at the Alkali Creek trailhead just outside of Sturgis. This trail should be just a little bit over a mile long, and it's just starting to kind of spit a little bit of rain. I don't know, it might snow. I think it's in the 40s, so it shouldn't snow maybe. But a friend just told me it's snowing in Spearfish right now, headed this way. So we'll see. Hopefully we could get done with this trail before too much weather hits. I've got Grizz here with me today, so he's gonna drag me down the trail, I guess. So we're gonna get started. Well, we made it back, and it's just starting to snow, but I forgot to hit the record button on my Strava app so I could get the GPX data, and Grizz still has lots of energy, so I think we're gonna do another lap so I could get this stuff to get it mapped, so it shouldn't take us too long. I'm pretty sure it was less than a mile, or maybe right about a mile, so and it's not snowing too hard, so we should be good. We're up for lap number 2. Okay, we just got done with our second lap of this nature trail here at the Alkali Creek trailhead just outside of Sturgis. It's just across the interstate from the National Cemetery. And what'd you think, Grizz? Did you like that? Yeah, he liked it. So the total, according to my Strava, was about 3/4 of a mile. So it's just a loop. It kind of goes back, excuse me, it goes through the trees, and hi Grizz. Yep, you're the star of the show, aren't you? Okay, so this is a great trail. Oh. If you have a big lazy dog, yeah, I'm sorry, I didn't mean that. You're not lazy, no. Or if you just want something a little shorter as the days get colder, and you're not sure on the weather, or if you just don't want to go out for a real long time. Like I said, less than a mile, but really pretty. Lots of trees with leaves. That would have been really pretty a little bit earlier in the fall, I think. But great trail outside of Sturgis, so give it a try.